Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Min Unique, and today we're going to see how to send or how to share the notes on your Google Keep on your mobile phone. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So normally how to share the notes in your Google Keep on your mobile phone, just going to show in this video. For that, first of all, you just need to click on the any notes that you just need to share on WhatsApp or Instagram, wherever you just need it. So first click on any notes and you have this data option on the bottom section. Click on this. Now you have this option called send. Click on this. So here you have these two options. The one option was copy to the Google Docs. So you can just create it as a Google Docs and you can just copy it to your document and you can just use it as a file document like a Word. Otherwise, you just click on the send by your other apps. Click on this. Now you can find a lot of options. The first option, you can just copy. The text will be copied, or you have option to quick share, and in bottom you can find a WhatsApp, Instagram, and swipe up to have the more application. This is the way you can just share. Just long press on the outer side, just click on the three dot option on the top and send option, click on the send option, you can just share it directly. So these are the way that you can just easily share or send your notes on your Google Keep. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Min Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.